Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our wooden dummy training. It's for set 6, but it's interruptions. Learning how to interrupt your movement if somebody adds a different technique in. But before we get there, I need you to go over to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
Jutsao, BOG, front kick, move outside, Paksao, Chunsao, Lopsao side palm, Paksao punch to the body. Jutsao the round punch, follow BOG to the eye, front kick to the body. Move outside, Lopsao side palm, Paksao palm to the head. Jutsao, BOG to the eye. Fuksao palm strike. Kwansao, pole pie turn. Jutsao the round punch, follow BOG to the eye. Move outside, Yunsao, Fuksao, palm strike. Defend the round punch, Kwansao. Finish, pole pie turn.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.